What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Roach?
What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. Alright, and for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate the love. So please consider subscribing and leave a comment and tell me what you think. And word up to me, give me that thumbs up, alright? And click that reminder bell so you don't miss out on any of my other videos, okay? So today we're gonna be making chili mac. Alright, now this is an old school, takeoff on chili, but this is something that another meal that my grandmother would make for us. So looks like a lot of ingredients, but it's really not. But this is what we got here. We're gonna start out with our ground beef. Now you want to use a pound or so. I have some patties left over, so that's what I'm gonna use here. All right, we got our onion, and we have our bell pepper, and we're gonna put a little corn in there also. And for the minced, the chili part of it, we're gonna need this cumin, okay? And we got our chili powder, and we're gonna use this can of tomato paste. I have the ingredients in the description below, but we're gonna use this 6-ounce can, and then you're gonna need your tomato sauce, and we're gonna need this 8-ounce can here. Like I said, I got the descriptions, and chili beans. All right, now you can use kidney beans, red beans. I'm going to use chili beans today. All right, and then now you want to get yourself some diced tomatoes, and we're going to add that in. I'm not going to use this whole can. I'll probably use about 12 ounces of it, but we'll see how much I yield with this meat. But I got to start. Remember, I'm only cooking for 2 because I'm getting to be an empty nester. My little college son is getting ready to go back to school. And also we're going to need our seasoning salt, and we're going to use the peppers, and of course we're going to need them elbow noodles. All right, get the elbows. All right, so you already know. Let's get started because I got to chop these ingredients up. All right, let's go. All right, guys, you already know this chili mac is not going to cook itself. All right, so let's get started with the first 4 ingredients. All right, now we're going to cook this ground beef over a medium heat until the meat is brown. All right, and I'm going to stir until the meat crumbles. All right, now I've already gone ahead and cut up my vegetables that we're going to be using here. So it's part of the first 4 ingredients. We got a 1/2 cup of onion chopped, and we also have a 1/2 cup of chopped green pepper, which I also had some extra yellow bell pepper that I had froze and cut up previously, okay? And we're going to add in some garlic. Now, I'm going to add in, I'm just doing eyeballing this because I got 2 pounds of meat, but generally I'm going to add in, first I'm going to start out with 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Now, it's just a guideline, we're going to taste it. Now, I need that Lowry seasoning. That was about like 3 teaspoons. And we got that cumin. So I'm going to start out with a 1/2 teaspoon of that because that can be overpowering. And that garlic. I'm using minced garlic, the equivalent of 3 cloves. Then, like I said, I'm going to chop it until we get the meat nice and crumbled and cooked. All right, we're just about there. And then you just kind of want to taste it. Like I said, ingredients is just a guideline. Okay, so now the meat is all crumbled. I've drained it. Oh yeah, I put a little pepper in there. It came from my pozole soup early. Now we're going to add in that tomato sauce. Okay, now that is just 1 can. And we're going to add in the tomato paste. And then we're going to add in those whole chopped tomatoes. Now, I've got them already chopped. You can get whole if you like or not. Now, we're just going to let all them ingredients cook. We're going to get it to a nice boil. Again, I'm just seasoning and tasting as I'm going, and I realize I need to add a little bit more flavoring into it because I've overdid it like I always do if I'm making chili. Okay, so we're just going to heat that and go ahead and add the rest of those in there. We're going to heat all these ingredients, and once we get that done, we're going to let it cook for about 20 minutes. We're going to start our elbow noodles while our meat sauce is cooking. Now, I think we're about there. I'm going to give it a little taste and see where it is first, but we got to add in these corn now. All right, I forgot to add in my corn. Yep, I overdid it. I don't know if this pot going to make it, but we'll see where we're at. I'm just going to give that a nice stir. Now, this is what happened. What happened was I had to take some of all that out and put in these jars to save for later. Okay, so I'm going to add in those noodles, elbow noodles, and give it a generous stir. All right, and we're going to be stirring this occasionally as it's cooking. All right, so we're going to let it cook for about 20 minutes, like I said. Now, let's check it. Yeah, nice. It's nice thick. You want a nice thick consistency. You don't want it dry now. Don't dry it out. So you just kind of want to give it a nice stir. And then I'm going to taste and see where it's at. Like I said, you always want to sample your food to see where it is. All right, and I think I might just have it just right. That extra chili powder did the trick. Okay, so we're done. Now I'm just going to garnish it a little bit, and I like to sprinkle a little cheese on top of there, and I'm going to garnish it with a little green chive onions from my garden. And I'm going to nuke it too to kind of melt the cheese a little bit on top of it, all right? There you go. Look at there. That looks delicious. You can smell that. I know you can smell it. Just go ahead and take a bite. Now, I told you I was going to nuke it. Let's give it a little taste here. It smells really good. I could have just ate the chili mac by itself without the noodles. Yum. Yeah, that chili powder did it. Yes. Thumbs up to me. All right. Now I got some extras here. The sauce without the noodles in it, so I can come back to those later on. All right, y'all. So thanks for watching my channel, you guys. I appreciate the love. I'm almost at 1K. I never thought I would get there. So, you guys, I appreciate the love. And thanks for watching What You Cooking Roach. Bye-bye.